So for this question, we need to find measures of angle ACB and ABP. So we can begin with ACB. But before that, let us just see that what they have given in a question and try to interpret a few things. Like this is a circle in which a very common mistake, this 78 degree is taken with C and it is misunderstood as a cyclic quadrilateral. So student can write this as 102, that will be wrong. Okay, so just keep that in mind that this is not the way it needs to be done. There is a circle theorem in which we know that tangent and radius meets at 90 degree. OA is a radius, OB is also a radius. So in the quadrilateral OAPB, we have two angles 90, 90 each because of the circle theorem. We have third angle as 78 and the fourth angle is angle AOB, and that is all equal to 360. Okay, on calculation from here we can get the value of AOB as 360 minus 180 minus 78, that will be 102. Okay, that you can check the calculation, it will be 102. Now as we got this angle as 102, in that figure we can use circle theorem and angle AOB will be twice of angle ACB. That's the angle they were asking. So we can just plug the values. We already have AOB, which is 102, dividing both sides by 2. So it will be 102 by 2 is equal to angle ACB, and we'll get angle ACB as 51. Okay, that is just halfway done. Now we need to find ABP. For finding ABP, we can once again get back to the figure. There is one more theorem that from an external point, the length of tangents are equal. So I'm talking about these lengths, PA and PB. If PA is equal to PB, then triangle ABP is isosceles. Okay, if triangle is isosceles, then both of these angles are equal. Mind you, I'm not talking about the 90 degree, so let me remove that. I'm just talking about these angles. Okay, look at the figure carefully. Both of these angles are equal because it's an isosceles triangle, and one of those angles is ABP. So I can consider these angles as x, and here's my calculation. X plus 78 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 78. Once again, it will give me 102, and from here I'll get x is equal to 51, and that is the measure of angle ABP. So angle ABP is 51. Whatever theorems we have used, if you want to revise that, you can just go through the video one more time and also try to revise circle theorems. So hopefully this question is clear. Be ready for such type of questions. These are quite common questions to be asked in exam.